Focus of a parabola are at a distance of h and k units on positive x-axis. Listen. This is origin, vertex and focus. Listen. Vertex and focus of a parabola are at a distance of h, k units from origin. So, on x-axis, y value 0. So, h comma 0, a point h comma 0. Given OS distance is k. So, s point k comma 0. Listen. So this is the given parabola. Other than 0, 0 vertex, we apply y minus k whole square equal 4a into x minus h. See on the board. This is h, this is k. So h value is h, k value 0. We want this a value. Listen carefully. A value. In the theory part, this is a, this is s. A's distance equals small a. Distance between a point and s point is small a. So, given this length is a, this length is k. So, we want this length in between a and s. Total length k minus this length h. This is the value of this a. Once again, a at a distance of h units, s at a distance of k units. We want distance between as, total distance k minus OA distance h is k minus h, that is small a value. So h value h, k value 0 and a value is k minus h. Take the diagram. Of the parabola y minus k whole square 4a into x minus h, y minus k value 0, 4 into small a value k minus h into x minus h. Next, bit number 10. The vertex of the parabola. Tenth bit, x square plus 8x plus 12y plus 4 equal to 0. Find the vertex of the parabola. There are two methods. Number one method is, listen, this is x square parabola. Write this equation in the form of x minus h whole square 4a into y minus k. Then vertex is h comma k. That is the first procedure. Second method, This is x square parabola. X square parabola. Calculate dou f by dou x equal 0. Dou f by dou x equal 0. We want this vertex. Dou f by dou x equal 0 is the equation of this axis line. Equation of this axis line. So 2x plus h plus 0 plus 0. 2x equal minus h. X value minus 4. X value is minus 4. We want y value. This a point lies on the parabola. Lies on the parabola also. So substitute this x value in this equation in the given parabola. Calculate y value. Calculate y value. Suppose given question is find the equation of the axis. Equation of the axis. This is the answer. Equation of the axis is this one. X equal minus 4, x plus 4 equal 0. So dou f by dou x equal 0 is the equation of the axis line. Okay. Substitute x equal minus 4 in the parabola. X square value 16 plus 8 into minus 4 plus 12y plus 4 equal to 0. 20 minus 32 plus 12y equal to 0. This is minus 12 plus 12y equal to 0. 12y equal to 12. Y value 1. Therefore, vertex A minus 4 comma 1 minus 4 comma 1 minus 4 comma 1. Write two shortcut formulas. This is x square parabola. Equation of the axis, this one. Length of the lattice rectum 4a equal to coefficient of y by coefficient of x square. Equation of the axis. Equation of the axis is dou f by dou x equal to 0. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum 4a equal to modulus of coefficient of y by coefficient of x square. Suppose given y square parabola, equation of the axis dou f by dou y equal 0. Similarly, x square parabola dou f by dou x. For the y square parabola dou f by dou y. Length of the lattice rectum coefficient of x by coefficient of y square. Same formula. This is y square parabola formulas. Equation of the axis dou f by dou y equal 0. length of the lattice rectum, coefficient of x by, coefficient of x by, coefficient of y square. Next, next one, 11th bit, the distance between, this is also MSET bit, previous MSET bit, given parabola x square minus 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Distance between vertex and focus, vertex and focus. So what is the distance between A and S? That is small a. He wants a small a value, small a. So first calculate, there is also two methods. Write this equation, x minus h whole square equal 4a into y minus k. Then we get 4a value, from that one a value. Otherwise, first calculate 4a. 4a is coefficient of y by coefficient of x. Coefficient of y by coefficient of x. That is 4a value. A value is 3 by 4. Write that one. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum. 4a equal to coefficient of y by coefficient of x square. 4a equal to 3 by 1. Therefore, a value 3 by 4. Distance between A and S. A equal to 3 by 4. Next, bit number 12. Equation of the axis x square minus 3y minus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. This is x square parabola. So equation of the axis dou f by dou x equal 0. Write that one. Equation of the axis is dou f by dou x equal to 0. 2x minus 0 minus 6 minus 0. 2x minus 6 equal to 0. 2 table cancel. X minus 3 equal to 0 or x equal to 3. X equal to 3. Bit number 19, 19. The length of the lattice rectum. The length of the lattice rectum 30 into x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 2x minus 3y plus 5 whole square length of the latus rectum. Listen, see on the board, x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square equal to 2x minus 3y plus 5 whole square by 13, that is root 13 whole square. Listen, under root x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square equal to 2x minus 3y plus 5 by root 13 whole square. This is in the form of SP equal to PM. SP, P is XY. S point is 3, 4, indirectly given 3, 4. So x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square. So from this one, S value clearly 3, 4. This is the equation of the directrix. PM, SP square equal to PM square. What is PM? Distance from the S2, this one line, A square value 4, B square value 9, 4 plus 9 equal 13. So this is the PM value. So L is identically equal to 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal 0. He wants length of the latus rectum. 4a length. Listen, this is S, this is L, this is A. So distance is 2a. Distance is 2a. So first calculate 2a value. Write down. 2a equal to perpendicular distance from S34 to L equal to 0. 2a equal to perpendicular distance from 34 to L equal to 0. Modulus of 2 into 3 minus 3 into 4 plus 5 by A square value 4, B square value 9. So this is 6 minus 12 plus 5 by root 13, 1 by root 13. 1 by root 13. Therefore, L dash equal to 4a, 2 into 2a, 2 into 1 by root 13. So final answer is 2 by root 13